Welcome to our journey on transforming data into actionable insights. In today's world, data is everywhere, but the real challenge lies in making sense of it and using it to drive meaningful decisions. We'll explore how raw data can be processed, analyzed, and ultimately converted into insights that empower organizations and individuals alike. This transformation is not just about numbers, it's about understanding patterns, predicting outcomes, and making informed choices. Let's dive in and see how this process unfolds, starting from the basics and moving towards advanced strategies. Raw data is the foundation of every insight. Whether it's numbers, text, or images, data in its original form is often messy and unstructured. However, within this chaos lies immense potential. By collecting and organizing data, we set the stage for deeper analysis. It's important to recognize that not all data is immediately useful, but with the right tools and techniques, even the most basic information can reveal valuable patterns. Understanding the value of raw data is the first step in the transformation journey. Collecting data is a critical phase in the transformation process. There are various methods such as surveys, sensors, transactions, and digital footprints. Each method provides unique insights and requires careful planning to ensure accuracy and relevance. The quality of collected data directly impacts the reliability of future insights. By choosing the right collection techniques, organizations can gather information that truly reflects their needs and objectives, setting the stage for meaningful analysis. Once data is collected, cleaning becomes essential. This involves removing errors, filling gaps, and standardizing formats. Clean data is crucial for accurate analysis, as inconsistencies can lead to misleading results. Techniques like deduplication, normalization, and validation help ensure that the dataset is ready for deeper exploration. Investing time in data cleaning pays off by preventing costly mistakes and enabling more precise insight. Organizing data is about structuring information in a way that makes it accessible and meaningful. This can involve categorizing, tagging, or grouping data points. Proper organization allows analysts to quickly identify trends and relationships. Tools like databases and spreadsheets are commonly used to manage and organize data, making it easier to perform subsequent analyses. A well-organized dataset is the backbone of actionable insight. Exploratory data analysis, EDA, is the process of visually and statistically examining data to uncover initial patterns and anomalies. EDA uses charts, graphs, and summary statistics to provide a broad overview of the dataset. This step helps analysts understand the data's structure and identify areas that require deeper investigation. By exploring data, we lay the groundwork for more targeted analyses and insight. Not all data points are equally important. Identifying key metrics is about focusing on the variables that matter most to your goals. These metrics serve as indicators of performance, progress, or risk. By narrowing down to the most relevant data, organizations can streamline their analysis and make more effective decisions. Key metrics provide clarity and direction in the transformation process. Data visualization transforms complex information into understandable graphics. Charts, graphs, and dashboards make it easier to spot trends, compare values, and communicate findings. Effective visualization is key to turning data into actionable insights, as it helps stakeholders grasp the story behind the numbers. Choosing the right visualization technique depends on the data type and the message you want to convey. Statistical analysis is the backbone of data transformation. It involves applying mathematical techniques to interpret data, test hypotheses, and quantify relationships. Common methods include regression, correlation, and significance testing. By leveraging statistics, analysts can move beyond simple observations and uncover deeper insights that drive action. Understanding the basics of statistical analysis is essential for anyone looking to transform data into meaningful outcomes. Machine learning takes data transformation to the next level. By training algorithms on historical data, machine learning models can predict outcomes, classify information, and automate decision-making. Applications range from customer segmentation to fraud detection. The power of machine learning lies in its ability to uncover patterns that are too complex for traditional analysis, making it a cornerstone of actionable insights in modern organizations. The ultimate goal of data transformation is to drive action. Insights must be translated into strategies, policies, or operational changes. This requires clear communication and alignment with organizational objectives. By connecting insights to real-world actions, companies can improve efficiency, enhance customer experience, and achieve better outcomes. The process is ongoing as new data continually informs future decisions. Actionable insights are not static. Organizations must collect feedback and monitor results to ensure that actions are effective. Continuous improvement involves refining strategies based on new data and changing circumstances. This iterative approach keeps organizations agile and responsive, allowing them to adapt quickly and maintain a competitive edge. Proper governance ensures that data is managed responsibly. Security measures protect sensitive information from unauthorized access and breaches. Establishing clear policies for data usage, storage, and sharing is vital for maintaining trust and compliance. Data governance and security are foundational to any transformation process, safeguarding both insights and organizational reputation. Transforming data into actionable insights often requires collaboration between departments. Data analysts, business leaders, and IT professionals must work together to ensure that insights are relevant and actionable. Cross-functional teams bring diverse perspectives, leading to more innovative solutions and better outcomes. Effective collaboration is key to maximizing the value of data. Technology plays a pivotal role in data transformation. Tools like cloud platforms, databases, and analytics software streamline the process of collecting, cleaning, and analyzing data. Automation reduces manual effort and increases accuracy. Staying updated with technological advancements ensures that organizations can handle larger datasets and extract deeper insights. Ethical considerations are crucial when transforming data. Organizations must respect privacy, avoid bias, and ensure transparency in their analyses. Responsible data use builds trust with customers and stakeholders. By adhering to ethical standards, companies can avoid legal pitfalls and foster a positive reputation. Retailers use data transformation to optimize inventory, personalize marketing, and improve customer experience. By analyzing sales data, customer preferences, and market trends, actionable insights are generated that drive business growth. This case study illustrates how data-driven decisions can lead to increased sales and customer satisfaction. In healthcare, data transformation enables better patient outcomes. Hospitals analyze patient records, treatment effectiveness, and operational efficiency to generate actionable insights. These insights inform clinical decisions, resource allocation, and policy development, ultimately improving care quality and reducing costs. Financial institutions rely on data transformation to detect fraud, assess risk, and optimize investments. By analyzing transaction data and market trends, banks and investment firms can make informed decisions that protect assets and maximize returns. This case study demonstrates the power of actionable insights in the financial sector. Manufacturers use data transformation to streamline production, reduce waste, and improve quality. By monitoring machine performance and supply chain data, actionable insights are generated that drive operational improvements. This case study highlights how data-driven strategies can enhance productivity and profitability. Marketers transform data to optimize campaigns, target audiences, and measure ROI. By analyzing customer behavior and engagement metrics, actionable insights are generated that refine strategies and boost effectiveness. This case study shows how data-driven marketing leads to higher conversion rates and brand loyalty. Transforming data into actionable insights is not without challenges. Common obstacles include data quality issues, integration difficulties, and resource constraints. Overcoming these challenges requires strategic planning, investment in technology, and ongoing training. By addressing these hurdles, organizations can unlock the full potential of their data. The field of data transformation is constantly evolving. Emerging trends include real-time analytics, artificial intelligence, and advanced visualization tools. These innovations enable faster, more accurate insights and open new possibilities for decision-making. Staying ahead of trends ensures that organizations remain competitive and responsive to changing environments. Leadership is crucial in driving data transformation. Leaders set the vision, allocate resources, and foster a culture of data-driven decision-making. By championing analytics initiatives, they ensure that insights are integrated into everyday operations. Strong leadership accelerates the journey from data to action. A data-driven culture encourages employees to use data in their decision-making. Training, incentives, and clear communication help embed analytics into daily workflows. By promoting curiosity and experimentation, organizations can unlock creative solutions and drive continuous improvement. Measuring the impact of actionable insights is essential for validating success. Key performance indicators, KPIs, and metrics track progress and highlight areas for improvement. Regular assessment ensures that strategies remain effective and aligned with organizational goals. Scaling data transformation involves expanding analytics capabilities across the organization. This may include investing in infrastructure, hiring skilled professionals, and standardizing processes. By scaling efforts, companies can leverage insights at every level and drive widespread impact. Future of data transformation is bright, with ongoing advancements in technology and methodology. As data volumes grow and tools become more sophisticated, organizations will be able to generate insights faster and more accurately. Embracing innovation and continuous learning will be key to staying ahead in this dynamic field. Transform data into actionable insights. Follow these key steps. Collect quality data, clean and organize it, analyze using statistical and machine learning methods, visualize findings, and translate insights into actions. Continuous improvement, ethical practices, and collaboration ensure lasting success. By mastering these steps, organizations can unlock the full power of their data. Transforming data into actionable insights is a journey that requires commitment, collaboration, and continuous learning. As we've seen, the process involves multiple stages, each contributing to the final outcome. By embracing best practices and staying informed about emerging trends, organizations can turn data into a powerful asset. The next step is to apply these principles in your own context, driving innovation and achieving your goals.